Are you ready to learn how to travel the world without paying for accommodation? Well, I have an announcement. I have created a brand new house sitting guide designed to help you travel smarter, save money, and live like a local. But here's another thing. If you hit that subscribe button and become a subscriber, you will have exclusive early bird access to the guide. And I'm also throwing in a free bonus checklist, which is going to be full of insider tips on how to help you land your very first house sit. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now because I will launch this guide this weekend, I would say Saturday. That's what I'm going to do. So if you want to start this journey on traveling the world without paying for accommodation, get my house sitting guide by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. I'm so excited. Bye.